Welcome to my Yummy Cooking Hyderabadi YouTube channel. Let's start our tasty video. Top 6 foods to avoid for healthy bones. If you found this useful, give our video a share, like, comment, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to get notified about all new cooking-related videos. Let's begin. Top 6 foods to avoid for healthy bones. Maintaining bone health is crucial for overall well-being and to prevent debilitating conditions associated with aging. While adopting a diet rich in nutritious foods can bolster bone strength, it's equally important to steer clear of certain items that can undermine it. Here are 6 foods to avoid for maintaining healthy bones. 1. Bone health alert. 6 foods to skip for stronger bones. 1. Excessive salt intake. Description: excess sodium consumption can lead to fluid retention, escalating blood volume, and exerting additional strain on the heart and blood vessels over time. This can contribute to high blood pressure, heart ailments, and compromised bone health. Research suggests that excessive salt intake might negatively impact bone density and quality. 2. Avoid these 6 foods to keep your bones healthy and strong. 2. Sugary beverages. Description: a diet high in sugar can deplete calcium and vitamin D levels, essential for bone health. Elevated blood glucose levels associated with sugar consumption can impede bone formation and quality. Therefore, it's prudent to limit intake of sugary drinks to preserve bone strength. 3. Steer clear 6 foods that can weaken your bones. 3. Caffeinated beverages. Description: overindulgence in caffeinated beverages can disrupt calcium absorption, metabolism, and elimination processes in the body, potentially weakening bones over time. Moderation is key when consuming caffeinated drinks to minimize adverse effects on bone health. 4. The bone-weakening culprits. 6 foods you should avoid. 4. High-protein diets. Description: while protein is beneficial for bone health, excessive intake from animal sources can lead to calcium loss from the body, compromising bone density. It's advisable to maintain a moderate level of protein intake to support bone health without adverse effects. 5. Critical choices. 6 foods detrimental to bone health. 5. Acidic foods. Description: acidic foods like soda and processed items may contribute to bone mineral loss, exacerbating conditions like osteoporosis. Balancing the diet with alkaline-forming foods or supplements can help counteract the detrimental effects of acidic foods on bone health. 6. Protect your bones. 6 foods best left off your plate. 6. Alcohol. Description: excessive alcohol consumption can hinder the body's ability to repair and strengthen bones, as well as impede the absorption of crucial nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. Limiting alcohol intake is essential for preserving optimal bone health. Disclaimer: this article serves as informational guidance and does not substitute professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If found this useful, give our video a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please check my other cooking videos from playlists. Bye for now. Keep watching, keep cooking. Thank you once again for your support.